Happy Saturday, July the 29th, guys. How do you guys recharge your batteries? How do you ground? I know everyone says meditate, but I don't know about you. Meditating it's a simple thing to do, but it can also be difficult to be quiet. So I believe as long as your intentions are good, you have the right thoughts, using my Boom Cosmetics. Cindy Joseph that woman was a queen. Anyway, go out in nature. Nature is a guide. Mother Nature has all of the answers that you will ever need. Take a walk. Take your dog. My best friend. Happy Saturday.